Hello guys, if you are on this online space and you are doing business, maybe you have succeeded in making money online, you will believe with me that another problem is how to withdraw the money. That's why I bring to you today an app that will help you to withdraw your money in dollar. Okay, this app works perfectly well. They will give you your USD card, a virtual USD card you'll be using to make all your online transactions. Okay, it's very nice. Please, I teach about how to make money online. If that's what you want to achieve, please search out for other of my videos, go through them and subscribe to this channel. Like this video, give it a thumbs up and put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you will be the first to YouTube will notify and you start taking actions. So the name of this app is called Cheapcash app. They have Naira card and they have dollar card. You can use it to make any transaction. You can use it to withdraw dollar from outside the country. Make any kind of transaction you want to make. So guys, this is how the Cheapcash app looks like. Once you download it, I will leave the link to download this app below this video. So just go to the link, click on it and download this app and start using it ASAP, and you make all your transactions, whether in dollar, in naira. It's just a virtual card that they will give you. From there, you make all your international transactions in dollar. Look at my dashboard. This is how it looks like. Look at my balance in naira. Are you seeing it? Look at add cash. Assuming I want to add cash now, I click here. If I want to add cash, I click here. If I want to buy airtime, you can even buy airtime on this app. I click here. If I want to buy data, you can still buy data from this app. If I want to buy data, I click here. If I want to pay bills like NEPA bills, all these bills, are you seeing it? All these NEPA bills, are you seeing? Even recharge your GoTV, or recharge your DSTV, your Start Time, all those stuffs, they are here. They are here. You can do all this with the card. Look at it. Are you seeing it? Look at my transactions. Look at my withdrawal. Look at my credits. They credited me. Look at, I use it to fund. I funded my card, meaning I deposited money into it. Okay, look at my money, the transactions I've been making. Look at where I use it to buy something in AliExpress. I use it steady almost every week. I buy things from AliExpress. Look at it. Are you seeing it? Minus. Okay, they debited me. All my debit alerts, look at them. It's in the app. Are you seeing it? It's not screenshot. It's in the app. Okay, so this is where you can earn money with this app, and you earning money is inviting people. That's why I said you should use the link below this video, because as you use the link, I will be earning small cash. Okay, when you can invite your friends with code, once you click here, your code will come out, or you invite them with your history, it will come out here. You can also invest in this app. This is where you do your investment. I have not done any investment in this app, so if you want to do the investment, you make your research first. This is where I'm more interested in using dollar card. Okay, so if you want to use your dollar card, this is where you will come to. This is where you will see all the information that you need. So this is my Naira card. This is my Naira card. Then this is my dollar card. Are you seeing the dollar card? Okay, let's look at the dollar card. My USD card. Are you seeing it? This is my USD card. So any transaction I want to make, once I click here, all the information of the card, if I click here now, all the information is there. You will now see it, the number, that pin that used to be at the back, that 3-digit pin, everything is there. Then you fill your information and start making your transaction. This app, Cheaper app, is a sure link. Just use them, and their rate is not that high. It's moderate. It's very okay. So I will encourage you to download this app and start using it and make all your transactions, buy things, send money, receive money from outside the country. As long as it's dollar, you will receive it. Okay, this channel I teach on how to make money online. Please subscribe to this channel, put on your notification bell, like this video, give it a thumbs up, so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will notify you and you start taking action, so that you benefit and have money, so that you'll be using your USD card. Like this video, like it, share it with your friends, share it with your neighbors. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. You start making money online. Watch other of my videos and start making money online, so that you'll be debiting money, they will be crediting you money. There are online jobs you can do that are not hard to do, so that you start using your USD card for good. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Use the link below this video to download this app and start making money ASAP. Look at my channel, look at other videos how you can make money. There are so many easy ways to make money on my channel. Please go and check out other videos, and thank me later. You have to make money this time around. Make money and stay out of trouble. Bye. See you in my next video.